Advisor, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Beaver 280 Heavy, turn left, echo ground point 8.
It's on Echo from point 8, Beaver 280 Heavy.
Okay, 2428, give way at British Airways at Echo.
Give way to British Airways, Echo United 2428.
Who else is calling?
Ground 280 Kilo.
Beaver 28 Kilo, Heavy, Go ground, taxi via Alpha ramp.
Okay, Alpha to the ramp, Beaver 28 Kilo.
Beaver 28 Kilo, Heavy, taxi via Bravo, Hotel Alpha ramp.
Are you too late for Bravo? We've missed it.
Beachy Matesburg 28 Kilo Heavy, join Bravo, turn left, please, now.
Beaver 28 Kilo, you told us Alpha and we're not too far over to make Bravo.
Okay, so you can't turn at all?
Well, we can, but there's green area on the left. Is that suitable for taxiing over?
Affirmative.
Okay, we'll turn left. Next time, tell us the correct taxiway.
Listen, we're in training up here. Mistakes are going to happen, and look at that. Your nose wheel is on the line, so you very well could do it. Know your aircraft.
I know my aircraft. I don't appreciate that.
Bravo Hotel Alpha.
Environment. We're not trying to do checklists, and you give me contradictory instructions.
Beaver 28 Kilo Heavy, I'm going to have a phone number for you. Stand by. Don't talk on the radio anymore. Yeah, 2428, continue taxi on Bravo. Southwest 3036, Bravo to Hotel Alpha.
Bravo, Hotel Alpha.
Southwest 3036, go Bravo, Juliet Alpha now.
Bravo, Juliet Alpha, Southwest 3036.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, are you ready to copy?
Negative.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, continue Hotel Alpha short of Mike.
Hotel Alpha, Hotel Mike, Speedbird 28 Kilo.
Speedbird 28 Kilo Heavy, continue Hotel Alpha to the ramp, advise when ready to copy.
Hotel Alpha to the ramp, go ahead, Speedbird 28 Kilo.
650.
Say, I've got it.